Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert Bitcoin to Tether USDT on Binance. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open Binance. There are several ways to exchange. The first easiest is to go to the trade and select convert. Let's write the name crypto USDT and we choose the coin that we want to receive, in our case Bitcoin. Then we need the right amount of coins to exchange and look at how many other cryptocurrencies we receive. If it is beneficial for you, then click preview and click convert. In the same way, you can exchange Bitcoin for USDT. There is a second way. We select a spot and we find Bitcoin to USDT. Here we can sell or buy Bitcoin. If you want to change USDT to Bitcoin, then click buy and enter the required amount of Bitcoin and see how much USDT we need. Click buy. If on the contrary, then click sell and enter how much Bitcoin we sell and get the amount of USDT that we receive. Click sell. That's all. Also watch my other videos about Binance at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.